Cali. Not only are we in Cali, but we're in Santa Monica. I've accumulated a lot of packages.
Baby, you push me to the point of no return. It's more like physical with you, I've learned. One shot to my heart, I'm slurred. No need, fight back, put it on me, don't quit. Why will we act hesitant?
I'm back at my other home. We're in Cali. Not only are we in Cali, but we're in Santa Monica. And it is warm. Like, I have just been being blessed with such wonderful weather lately. We're going to the beach. Lauren was like, you want to go to the beach? I was like, okay, like, why not hop off the plane and go right to the beach? Like, I don't know why I feel like that's giving material girl.
It's
but like,
jet setter.
Yes, it's giving jet setter.
But it's sure no fit. It ain't safe from here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe
That would have probably
but
called.
she doesn't
Two X, if I'm not mistaken.
Your mom had the 2X. And you got a large?
I believe so.
You got a large. Matt got the extra large. And grandma got a 2X. So Hanif probably needed a 2X too.
Well, I was wearing it the whole time we was in Philly.
Oh, you was wearing grandma's? Dang. So maybe he might need it. I might just FaceTime him and be like, which one you think fits you? So yeah, y'all, I still got merch for those who are interested. So drop it in the comments. I'm starting to get followers again on what you call it, YouTube. Starting to grow again.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's hot. Okay, Philly gonna have a nice Halloween weather, and LA. Me and Jasper thinking about going to Shack Fright Fest.
I saw that.
Shack Fest.
That's so hilarious.
We might go to that today. If we go, she driving, cause it's in Long Beach. Hey y'all, I just got back to LA. I was in Philly for a whole month and I've accumulated a lot of packages. Now some of these are purchases and some of these are like PR packages from companies, and I couldn't wait till tomorrow. I'm really excited to open them, and yeah, so let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Leahraquel. I am a recording artist as well as a content creator. Make sure you are following me on all my social medias: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. And make sure you guys are streaming my music, Leahraquel, on all platforms. Let's start off with this package. This is my girl Jasmine's line. I ordered a hat from her. And it's so cute. This is super cute. I love it. Her line is called Fresh. But yeah, I think I may have some items that are gonna go with this. I kind of want to try it on, but I don't want to mess up my hair or get makeup on it. But I mean, hey. I mean, it's a cute scully. Let me just tell y'all what time it is right now. It is freaking 2 o'clock in the morning. I just got back from, what's it called? Shacktoberfest, because tonight was Halloween. Bless me, Jesus. Hallelujah. Amen. Okay, let's get into this bag. I believe this is a PR bag from lovelyWholesale.com. Interesting. So far, we got 4 items. These, you know, let's see how these look. They look like they should be able to fit. They're not bad quality. Okay. These might be a look. Okay. Lovely Wholesale. Okay, I'm not mad at these. This is a dress. Let's see the quality of this. It's giving see-through. It looks a little big. I have to try it on and see. Yeah, we'll have to try this on. I don't know. It's low-key giving nightgown, but it may not give nightgown when I try it on. So yeah, these are see-through. Looks like, because the light is shining right through them real easily. Quality is okay. They're pretty, they're like light, they're thin. So like they might be good for like warmer days. And then same with the hoodie. And then I think this is the same thing in white. Yeah. Oh well, it's a little, the design is different. This has a drawstring. Oh no, these are a little thicker. Yeah, these are definitely different. These ones are more for cooler weather, I would say. And then the hoodie, I'm not sure about the arms. The arms might be short for me on the hoodie, but we'll have to try it on. That was Lovely Wholesale. Let's get into this big box. I got these tiny ass little tweezers. I'm excited about this one. I'm pretty sure this was a purchase I made from Shein. Okay, so I was like sad shopping when I made this purchase. So, you know, it was like a retail therapy. Life has just been a lot lately. I got a candle mold. I got a lot more than I thought I did. Jesus. Okay. It didn't look like I got that much online. Like on the receipt online, it didn't look like I got that much, but dang, like I'm low-key overwhelmed a little bit. So let's dive in, okay? This little ass purse. I love a little purse, but this joint is tiny. I don't know, this look like a baby doll purse, bro. I mean, I could put a little money in here. It might be cute. You never know. Okay, got some sunglasses and we got a little case. How do I feel about these? Okay, we have some more. These fire. Little way she wouldn't have to worry. Period. She crazy to put up with you. I won't play the fool. Bet you like what you see. It ain't easy to get with me. When I ordered this, I was hesitant about this one. Cause like I just got it just cause it was a white bag and I don't have a white bag. You know, it's a bag, you know. I don't know how I feel about this like knot right here. Like what is that? These are earrings. We got another pair of sunglasses. Oh, the pink ones. Like I said, like another piece that could be really fly if you style it right. Like, you know, it's all about how you style it. I feel like these could be really cool, like style right. Like, I don't even know, like maybe even with this, like snowboarding, you know? Yeah, it's definitely like, yeah, let's go to Big Bear. Let's go to the Poconos, period. So I did get a lot of like puffer items. I got this puffer vest. Looks a little bit big, so hopefully when I try it on, it looks, you know, right. And this one is reversible. And I was also thinking about this hat, this would even maybe with the silver, because of the silver and the money. I don't know. I think I got some looks. I got two of these by accident, I think. And we got a cropped coat. Fit nicely. Hopefully the arms are long enough. Okay, long sleeve turtleneck, black. Period. I think I ordered this once before, but it was too big. But this time it looks like it's gonna fit. You may have some looks for this. I got basic color tops. I don't know, I have to try it on. I have to look at the picture, like try it on, because I don't remember. Last clothing item is a zip up white top. It looks a little big. We'll see. Yeah, it looks a little big, unfortunately. I think I was looking forward to this top. And it like has like a hole, and it's like not a rip, but it's just like a hole in the design, like a flaw in the design where the way they stitched on the zipper made it like kind of like a hole. So we'll see about this one. I'll try it on. This may have to go back. So next item, these bags. Now I got 2 colors, and like I just remember seeing these on the website and I was like, that is like really cute. It's like I like this bag, but like something is throwing it off. It's like these little thingies on the side. It's kind of like throwing it off for me. There's a few different ways you could wear this actually. I don't know how I feel about it. I think honestly, like if once I let it settle, like as it's settling now, the little thingy things on the side, the busyness of the bag is actually kind of cute. It's growing on me. She's growing on me. I hope this isn't like a dupe for anything. I don't believe I ever saw anything like this before. It might. I don't know. We could have a situation with these daggers earrings with my hair back, cause I also got it in black. We love the black. The black is cute. It looks very expensive, even though it's very cheap. Where am I gonna put all this stuff? I don't know. And then I got this bubble candle mold, and I thought I was getting a bubble candle, but I guess I bought a mold by accident. So I just have a bunch of accessories. I don't remember what this is for. Like, I just don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look on my order again. Like drippy type looking earrings to kind of go along with that kind of like spaceship trend thing with the I don't know, might be a look. I got 2 by accident. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. These would go really cute with this bag. So I got these little things. These are supposed to help you like tighten up your pants. So like if your pants are too loose and you would usually use a safety pin, or you would usually take them up with a needle and thread, you can use these instead. I got a ring finger measurer. I don't know, it was like a couple cents, so I got it just in case. You never know if you need to measure your ring finger, you know. But y'all, I'm tired. I might have to finish the unboxing tomorrow because baby, I'm tired. And then I just got this like chains, these stacked chains, because I figured they would be cool to style. See, we got like a little safety pin and locks, and we got some dice on here. Okay y'all, I am like stupid tired. It is like, it's 3 a.m. and I only stayed up because I was super excited to get into these packages, and we still have more stuff to go through, but I'm so tired. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue this in the morning. Okay, we're gonna continue in the morning. I want to have like a lot of energy when we get into the other stuff. So good night. Hey y'all, it's the next day, and let's get back into these packages. I actually unboxed this on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, so the like full like in-depth like unboxing is on there, so follow me on those. Well, y'all should be subscribed to my YouTube channel, but if you're not, follow me on Instagram, and then you'll see that. But I'm gonna give y'all a little peek. It is Fenty Beauty sent me PR from Beauty Fest. We got foundation, we got foundation brush, we got a skin tint, a matchstick, so I think this is for contour. We got a matchstick, this is blush. We got another matchstick, this one is concealer. We got a gloss bomb cream. It's lip gloss. And it's like a pink color. We got the kilowatt highlighter. You know, the famous, infamous Fenty Skin. The famous, infamous, y'all know, the famous, infamous highlighter by Fenty Beauty. Shout out. And we got a makeup sponge. But yeah, like I showed the colors and stuff on shorts and reels, so go check that out. Ooh, I got a 555 angel numbers. Let's see what that means in this moment. The angel number 555 represents transformation, freedom, and adventure. When this number keeps showing up in life, it is thought to mean that angels are trying to tell you to welcome any changes coming your way, but not force them. Okay, that's what I needed to know in this moment. Okay, let's get back into these packages. So I got a gift card sent to me by Fashion Q, and this is my gift card from Fashion Q. They sent me this gift card so that I can go into the store and shop because they don't have an online shop yet. So they sent me a gift card to go in there, pick out some outfits and style them for them, you know, post it, you know. So shout out to Fashion Q, appreciate them. Thanks guys. And they put in this cute little gift card. Thank you guys, appreciate it. I think these are my contacts, and y'all, as you can see, I need them to see, you know. What the heck? They sent me 2 contacts? Okay, I guess these are like testers. I guess I'm just supposed to test them out. Like what? Why did they send me 2 contacts? Alright, eye doctor. Okay, last package. Drum roll. The Telfar. The Telfar from the Rainbow Drop. She's cute. I ended up getting red. At first I was like, ooh, I should probably get a neutral color. But then I was like, why am I being basic? Why not get a bad bitch color? Red. So that is the end of this haul. If I end this video here, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. That's Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, all of it. Leahraquel or Leahraquel official across the board. Also, if you're not streaming my music, what are you doing? Make sure y'all streaming my music on all platforms. Leahraquel on all platforms. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.